And we're live. Let go. I really should probably get rid of that stream elements. But like, I don't know how to do that. So it's there. You know, it makes it seem like I got a little bit more of an active chat, you know? Nobody's reading that, you know? It's just there. We're back. Make sure everything's looking good. Looking good. Looking good. Looking good. It's crazy how I've been streaming for about a month now. I've low-key got, I mean, I had a decent amount of people that joined the chat. Brother, 2 people followed me so far in that month. Nobody follows people on Twitch anymore. Like, what's up with that, you know? I'm just gonna be stuck sub 100, man. That's fine. The grind will continue, man. I ain't stopping for you, for anybody. But we're back. Today is gonna be the 3rd and probably final day where I'll be working on my mobile game. I worked on it a little bit offline, just to the boring coding stuff and college and stuff like that. Today, I had an idea. All right. Almost every mobile game out there has some sort of way to take money from your pocket into their pocket. So we're taking a page out of all of those mobile games and we're gonna add some of those designs into our game to do that exact thing. So we're gonna make some questionable designs for my mobile game. I'm talking loot boxes. I'm talking in-game currencies. I'm talking ads, unskippable ads, you know, and maybe some other things, you know, and just add them all in there, you know. It's gonna be the most brain rot game that you won't be able to put down, because scientists have found the most optimal way to keep you glued to your phones, and that's what we're going to implement today in my game. So that's the plan. I already kind of got a system for my loot boxes, because obviously if you guys are tuning in or watching the VOD for the first time, I'm making a pirate game where you're a pirate and you sail the 7 seas battling other pirates. Some are comparing it to Assassin's Creed Black Flag. Some are saying mine's better graphics, better game design, better intuition, you know. That's just what they're saying, you know. Like, I'm not saying that, you know. That's not me saying, that's them saying that, you know. But yeah, no, it's a pirate game. So I want to have like a loot box where you can open the loot boxes and get like special ships. Ooh, I was thinking, because I wanted to, you know how like the old mobile game techniques was like you had like an energy level, and you couldn't, after your energy level, you like can't open up any, you know, you can't play anymore. Maybe you get 3 chests a day, so you can only play 3 runs, and depending how far of the run you get is the better the chest you get, more rare chest. And so you only get 3 times, so you don't want to mess it up. So it's like daily. You gotta come back daily. We hook them for life, because they're gonna want to collect all the ships. Like that's just human nature. They want to collect all the ships. But we only give them 3 chests a day, And then you have to spend the gold coins, and then you have to get the gold coins from killing the ships to then open your ships that you. So then you have to even play more even after that because you got to get gold coins for your ship. So that, you know, could be a fire idea. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. Anyways, let's get to it. Let's kind of see where this is our game at the moment. I kind of shifted things around, you know, because I feel like the attributes and stuff, like, I mean, it kind of covers up my screen here, but you guys can see a little bit better. I started on a main menu. Where's that at? Main menu. I know. It's probably gonna win Civil War. Why is it off-centered? Interesting. Why is it off-centered? No, it's fine. The best mobile games, it's all centered, you know, and it's gonna be resized anyways for your, you know, the mobilities. I got leaderboard, I got inventory system. Oh, I actually went to the asset store and I got an inventory system from there, and basically it's not quite set up yet totally. I'm gonna have to figure that out. We got chests, we got ships, and I think I also got a theme, and I think that right now everything, it's applying everything to that theme. Let's remove. Oh, this main menu's got a theme to it. No, no, no. Yeah, here's the theme. Let's try it again. Yeah, it's a little bit inventory, got the backdrop, container with the V-box container, edit the title, that's what the up top here, inventory, gold, close button. We don't have a gold label yet, or gold label is just the gold. We don't have it doesn't count the gold label, which maybe we could set that up, because I think I am somewhere in the global script here. We have user coins, which wouldn't be too hard to just add a coin when you pick it up. Coin. Let's go to the coin script. On there, signal.coincollected.emit, which we can do that, and then just global. Oh, good. Global user data dot user coins. Just add one. All right, and that basically handles the coins. Back to the main menu. All right, we had right here, we got the close button, which just closes the menu, and then we have this tab container, which I have the ships. It's a grid, ship grid. This is a scroll container, and then ship grid, the chest, and there are tabs here, which it shouldn't be this small. So maybe let me fix that a little, maybe. No, maybe. Tab container. I guess it's not small. Ship grid. Oh. Inventory. I kind of got an inventory going here, and there's chests, which the user didn't have any chests yet. But anyways, let's just freaking, I should get the start game button working, but this is what we got so far. We got the ship, got a pause menu, got a volume slider. I don't even think the quit button doesn't do anything yet. We're working on that. Basically, you can just, you know, sail the open sea and fight some baddies. Oh, and it's like an auto shooter. They drop little coins. I should probably make the coins a little bit bigger. It's technically adding coins to our global user coins. And then I have chests, which are like unlockables. So far, I only have shoot speed and move speed. That's right now, low-key move speed is just so much better than shoot speed. I feel like movement is so much better at like being able to dodge the bullets and stuff. And so that's basically the game. We spice it up a little bit, adding some variety and some different ships, adding different abilities. So it's basically kind of like a roguelike game. I want to add it to where the difficulty scales up as well, because currently it's hard to find ships, you know? A lot of just roaming around, which low-key I should just scale up anyways, because like who wants to be freaking roaming around like this, you know? Ships are out there, but you really can't see them. Maybe do that first. We go fix the enemy spawner script. We go to the main game, enemy spawner. Here's the script. Here's the array. So we have the waves. We got difficulty. Spawn interval 1 second. Wave cooldown 3 seconds. So it spawns in waves. Is how we have it. Base max alive. We do 15. Max alive cap. 60 is kind of a lot. That might be. Base wave size. We'll go 10. Try play. Maybe we get some more. Oh, there's one. All right, so it seems like I'm finding them faster. Oh. Try to dodge the shot. It's tough because the actual, if we go to the player, like having a different ship, I want to like scale up this ship, because like the way it's working right now is that like 2.5, but it just seems way too big for like this tiny ship you start with. But that's how much. Maybe go to the skip here. That's how big the hitbox is. But if we change the model, all right, here's what we do. We change the make the model bigger and make far away. Missed this up. 600, 200, 150. A little bit better. All right, you know what we got to do though? Let's make the loot box. Then we got to add a container. Maybe an H box container, a horizontal box container. Center this in the middle. Oh, not center, right? It's just center. Scale it up. Soy boy. Whoa, coming in with this hostility, man. Whoa, we're making mobile games out here, man. You know, No. I need a texture rect. Not a text edit. My plan to make this loop box is to have a horizontal box and it like cycles through, you know? That's the plan anyways. Sure, panel 150, 150. Oh. Yeah, not maximum size. 50, 50. 25. 50, 25. Okay. 100 at 100. That's like a decent loot unboxing. Our new loot unboxing scene. Okay. Loot unboxing. To save this, but then we need a script. Go back to the scripts. And then I kind of had an idea of how I wanted to do this. That's like how to do some ideas here. A case opening UI, real viewport, fixed size, clip content equals true. It's moved via tween. But HBox container. Case data. How do I move? Height and real length. Build filler real. Queen properties, position X. You physically move it. You build the entire thing. Okay. We go back. Let's go on ready. Real. Get a reference to our HBox in here. So let's just add 100 and no. New function. Spin wheel. So basically what we want to do is we want to take this, I already have real dot position and tween it. How they do it? Create a tween properties. Okay. Tween equals. How do I do it? Create tween. Okay. And then we basically go from clean property. And it'll be the real dot position. Oh, just not a real position. I always forget how to do tweens every time I do them. Position X. Oh yeah, here it is. Node property final variable duration. Negative 300. Before we spin it, for I in real length item, okay. For I in 50. A few arguments. Oh yeah, how long it's gonna take? 2 seconds. And let's just create bar panel. I'm gonna save this actually as a test panel. Great branches seen. Test panel item as a scene equals. All right, let's get the reference to that test panel. Equals. Go to our scene, we get our test panel. Then we gotta preload this guy. Preload. Panel dot instantiate. Oh, we also need a reference to the. Oh, do we have the real? A reference to the real. Instantiate and then real dot add child panel. It adds 50 of them. Oh, because we never call this func ready spin wheel. All right, instead of this, actually, we'll have an input. Not init, input. If event dot get is action pressed UI accept, I think is enter spin wheel. Wrong button. All right, anytime we do spin the wheel, we do real, but is there a clear children? Godot, clear children. Children.queue free. Okay. Children. Oh, for each child and get. Oh, I have to. Real dot get children. It's like an intuitive way. All right. Or what's the debug? Tween bounds start with no tweeners. Oh. Real dot position. Wait, what is that? This slash set ease. Huh? Position X target X6 slash. Oh, it's probably just. Set ease and nulls value. Okay, okay. Oh, you're right, you're right. Clear. Bro, tweens are so hard, man, for no reason either. There's no reason for tweens to be this hard. Alright, so there's definitely an error. There's an error. The tween property position X does not exist in object. Wait, oh. Wait, hold. Oh, it's because it's anchored. There's no position. Oh. Could be an issue. Okay, well, okay. See, now you're telling me different things. Position X does exist. Position. Oh, not dot X. This is why it doesn't make any sense. Okay, okay. Negative 1200 in 2 seconds. And let's add this set ease. Not 1200. Let's do 2000. 3000. Yo. And then so there's 50 in there. 3000 is what about 20? I don't. It needs 50. Okay, 20 is not enough. 30. Okay, so it's always this 28th item is always the winner. So we add a 35th. So technically, okay, so if we do 28, just to test it. Always boom, right in the middle there. If I go back, let's just test this real quick because it would be kind of nice. If I go to anchors and I anchor this in the center and then do it all again. Okay. Okay, so now we have this panel script, which, but okay, so we do 35. And then in this, if for, we'll do this variable, winning slot, and then if I equals 28, then winning slot equals panel. So now it basically selects that panel, that 28th panel. So if we go to the panel, actually, if we really want to test this, go to the test panel. Let's have a label of 12. Theme colors, font color is black. And then this one is just a simple, we'll just create just a random script. Test panel script. We'll just throw in the script. This, I feel, I mean, I'm adding unnecessary scripts and stuff, but it's fine. Because this is just for testing. label dot rand var num when panel num rand I label dot text equal, okay, and then panel number var random num equals. All right, so basically when this panel spawned, it creates a random number, sets that as the panel number and the text, so we can know. So we go back to the loot unboxing, we've hit run. Yeah, I got a space. Type e text. Label that. Wait, what? Text is type. Oh, I have to turn this into a string. Easy fix, easy fix. All right. Wrong. Type string of base. Oh, because I accidentally made that a capital. Okay. 775. Okay, so we don't even know what the. We want to make sure. Test panel loot unboxing. Then here, after everything, print winning slot dot random panel num. So this wouldn't be the panel number we'll be getting. We'll be getting the item data. Wait, why did I what? Wait. $1,000. So I printed this one. So the 27th, the one we need. Oh, we need to set the position back to 0 and before. Okay. Right when we spin the wheel, panel dot position dot x equals 0. Global. Base of packed scene. Oh no, not panel, real. This is, I think, position. I think it's the relative position. Field connected position dot x equals 0. Position dot x equals 0. Why does it not reset the position? That doesn't make sense. Whatever. 390, and it's the next one. So yeah, it's not 28, it's 27. Why does that not reset the position? Target. Real container dot position. You reset the position. This is exactly what I'm doing. Real dot position dot x equals 0. All right, what do we go to? Global. Pole position? I mean, that wouldn't make any sense. Not working. I mean, at least it's... All right, give me a second. And we're back. And we're back. All right, let's figure out why is this position not resetting? Hence. Oh, it doesn't make sense, man. Look, a lot of times, like I just get stuck on like some small bug that like should just work. Like, why is setting its position of X like why? Like if I have a different, like if I go UI cancel, but instead of spin wheel, it's this. Like for some reason this is gonna, I don't know actually. So we spin it, hitting escape resets it, then we can spin it again. So we're gonna have to hit it twice. It like doesn't believe. Wait, maybe if I do hit it twice, why would that work? I don't know. We'll see. No, because it's like come on. What the heck, man? Doesn't make sense. Winning index times slot width times real viewport size divided by 2. That random F range. Like, why is setting X equals? Oh, like it doesn't make sense. Maybe it has to wait a second. That works. But if I hit it too fast, then it doesn't, which I guess is fine. You're not gonna, so I guess we'll just have a wait. I guess it technically works, but for some reason you have to wait or else it breaks. But I guess if it's fine. All right, so spin wheel. So now we have this. So if we do spin wheel, the whole thing that visible equals false or true. And then await Create timer. No, we gotta get the tree. And then wait 2 seconds. And then once it's time, then visible equals false. So it'll show up for 2 seconds, then disappear. All right, look at that. We kind of got like a and then we can have a signal. Signal. Oh, we have to create this signal, right? True. We go to signals here, my global signal script, which is right here. Create a new signal. Item unlocked. And then here, call a signal. Emit, and then pass in whatever the item waiting lot. For this, it passes in the number, which is just a random number. We don't really have any. Let's just freaking add it in there. Wait, okay. So we go to main game. Get rid of this input because we don't care about that anymore. Or not main game, main menu. For some reason this is goddamn. Why is this V-Box container? Flip. I guess it's like technically centered, but I don't know. I don't make any sense. I guess this V-Box we can. This vertical box container, this one, we can edit the size. All right. Do I have a main menu script? Oh yeah, I do. On inventory open, on start pressed. Godot. How do I do? Change scene. Get tree, change scene as file and whatever the file is. This is main game. All right, now the start button works. Now we can change project. Run. And change the start scene to the main menu scene. We hit start. Bang, main menu. We can hit start and it starts the game. We hit quit. Let's change that so it goes back to the main menu. Button. Let's rename this. Quit button. Just quit. Signal pressed. We'll go to the player. I might as well. Change this to the main menu scene. And we'll have, and we probably have to put like an are you sure, you know? Start, boom, we're start. We're like, wait a minute, let's go back. Go to the inventory we don't got. Right now the main menu, I don't know. Main menu. I always have the main menu at the front. I'm gonna move that back. The inventory script. Where's the inventory script? It's in scripts probably. Inventory UI, there it is. Gold label, ships, grid container. X.gold user coins. That's the gold. Oh wait, it says user coins. Wait, does it not? Oh, because it doesn't save between a game. So if I go get some coins, why is there how are there particle effects going on in there? Okay. Quit. Start. Does it spawn the same world? I think I gotta mess with the seeds every time. It's fine. Right now everything spawns in the same spot. Shoot speed, I guess. Alright, there's an enemy. Dodge it. Oh, the coins are so small, we gotta fix that. Move speed. Alright, let's get 2 coins. Very quick, we go to inventory. Boom, 2 gold. Don't have any chests at the moment. All right. Unlockable. This is the ship item. Ship item panel container equipped. Ship infill unlock. Oh, that's the physical. Brother, I did this so long, I'm trying to figure out how I did it. Loot unboxing, main game player, chest item, and then chest data. Then there, so we can create chests, and we got this wooden chest. We go back to inventory. Global user own shipped own chest. Append. What am I doing? I'm trying to add this owned chest that append, and then append this. So I have 1 chest. Inventory. No chest. No chest data. Yeah. Do I have to preload this? Okay. I need 100 gold technically to open this, but what if we change this to 0 gold? Ooh. Okay, so now we have that. So it adds a chest to my inventory. When I click, oh wait, I already have an add chest. Add chest. Add ship, add chest, open chest. What a global user. All right, so this we have to call the signal because it doesn't know. Reward if reward equals roll chest reward. I don't need this roll chest reward. I mean, we'll have it. Open chest doesn't, because it's not. That's not what's rolling the reward. It's my. No chest ever raised chest. But then we have to have another signal. Open chest. We go back to here. Call a signal of open chest. That emit. Pass in. Chest. This main menu. We're gonna add our unlock screen. Loot unboxing. All right, let's go back actually to the test. Wait, not this. Here. Oh, on open pressed. This does not match the previous. Oh, reward. Open.emit chest item. Save data. Yeah, okay, so this has a signal opened here. Okay. Spins. We go here, we click this, bam, spins. We'll have some sort of background, you know, so it looks a little bit better. Theoretically, should, if I go back to this chest, possible ships, use all the possible ships. Okay, so loot unboxing. So this is when we connect. Signal global dot open chest dot connect to spin wheel. Global user, right? Open chest dot emit chest. Go back here. Go back here. When spin wheel, chest data. So it emits this spin wheel. I'm gonna get rid of this. Passes the chest data. Okay, so basically, if we hit run and if I click open this chest, it just spins the wheel. No, it doesn't. Because this loot unboxing is visible. All right. Inventory chest. If I click this, it spins. Okay, no. I do need to call this global user data open chest, but I'm not assigned. Oh. I don't know. I'm gonna record this because I did a YouTube video. But I don't know, I can take out the music as well. Oh, I got 2 wind chests. Dang, so I click this at open chest. Open.emit. Whoa. Inventory is probably what do you mean is open to emit reward? If reward, add ship reward, roll chest reward, roll chest reward. Is it just not refresh? So if we open this, it just doesn't delete the chest. All right, whatever. We'll go back to the loot. Basically, so now we don't need to instantiate this panel anymore. Or I guess we could, but instead of assigning the winning panel to this panel. For I equals 35. Panel to instantiate, real that add panel. Panel. What was the chest? Panel dot. God. Oh God, it's so confusing. Go to the test panel. I have a new function here. Set panel. Equals. All right, right now we'll just set the text to the item name. So then we go to here. So instead of we do panel, or no, then we do a random number. Var rand num equals int rand I range of from 0 to chest data dot possible shipped. No. Just info, just data, possible ships, size. Will do. Size. Base chest data. Oh, because it's and then panel dot name at the panel. Possible or same thing. There's no way this works. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, no, you're right, you're right. I'm setting it dot name. I don't know if that's gonna work either. We'll see. Valid access of index of 3. Oh, minus 1. Um. Uh, Skiff. Oh my god, Skiff wins. We don't need a panel number. We actually don't need this ready function at all. Because now instead of assigning winning slot equals panel equals no. Oh, I have to set different variable though. That bar winning item. Winning slot equals panel dot winning item. And panel dot winning item equals this item. Okay. And it should be. Oh yeah, there's no panel number. Winning slot. Okay. Unlockable gold ship. Oh, actually couldn't even test if it was gold ship. Wait, let me check. I mean, is winning. Skiff. It's the skiff. Oh, that works. It's not getting rid of the gold, the chest. I don't know why that is happening. But now if you get a chest and you unbox the chest, it doesn't add, oh, but we can do that easy. Global user data. Global.add chest. Or no, add ship. Add ship, here it is. Yeah. So then we go to loot boxing, we go whatever wins, call the global user.add ship, not chest. And then whatever that winning ship is. Why don't we already have this? We already have this signal item locked emit winning slot. So I guess we don't really need that. We have a signal to unlock it. Alright, so technically, we go here. Gold ship that we just unlocked. We refresh and gold ship is there now. I equip it. I go back. I hit start. It should be not the gold ship. All right, but that's a start. If I load back in, do I still have the gold ship? Yeah, because it saves. I can unlock a new ship. Third ship. It doesn't refresh. I want to be able to refresh. Because I have to. Is there? I have a refresh in the inventory. Refresh inventory.refresh. First of all, why did the music stop? Okay. One thing to complete the loop. Right now it's saving the data every time. Which is fine. Which is what we want, but we don't really want that for testing. So global user data. I have a save data, right? Load data. Roll chest reward. I don't need this anymore. I changed it to be in my loot box function. Here. Save data, yeah, with the user coin, active shipped, owned shipped chest. Then load data. We don't have a clear data, which is fine. We just have to find out where it saves the data, which Godot saves the data in a specific spot, which figured it out. But I think for right now it's fine. All right, let's go to inventory, global user data, active ship, inventory. You have to open, you have to close. Every time it opens, it refreshes. Populates, unclose ship item. This is on equip press, global user active ship equals ship info. It should theoretically change my ship. Why isn't it? Let's get a skiff. I have the gold ship equipped. Why isn't it? The skiff? Same thing every time. Oh, because the player never equips the... It equips it from this, so on... Equals unlock bolt, if unlock bolt, it doesn't even... No... Wait, ship equals to, I don't, equals unlocked boat if unlocked boat doesn't equal null. Oh, so if I hit this as to null, more of override, which oh, the gold ship. Okay, bang. For some reason it won't let me equip the big blue pirate ship. What's up with that? Oh, wait, never mind. Yeah. All right, you know what I need though? What if I go here? Go to the inventory. Not inventory. Go to global. Global user data. Add a clear data function. What I really got to figure out is why chest item on open pressed, those global user data open chest, and it's submitting this reward, but I don't know why it's doing that. On emit reward. Chest item opened. Refresh. Chest info. Signal name. Okay, so this is where it connects to signal. Signal name. Item.connect signal name function func underscore x. Oh, refresh. Grid container items or okay. Wait, do I need the reward not declared in the scope? Expected one argument but called 0. Yeah. Inventory. Next func underscore x. What does that even mean? Signal name connect. Oh. Okay, wait, that worked. Okay, now we have a clear data. Global user data. Load data, then we're gonna clear data. Load the game. Now we only have our... Go back to the wooden chest. Key cost is 100. For right now, the coin gets you plus 100. I'll also save the data. Global user data does save data. So anytime you collect a coin, it saves the data. I don't even think we need to signal then the coin collected. I guess no, it plays the music. So actually we kind of do need that, yeah. Okay, now we have an inventory and chest. We got wooden chest. We can't open. We don't have enough gold. We got the skiff. I don't know like how it looks at the moment, but ours freaking start going to town. I think I want to change. Oh, move speed, yeah. Grab the coin. Let's try to get all our move speed up. We move crazy fast. All right, we go back. We have 400 gold. We got a chest we can open with gold. Open. Golden ship. All right, go back. Doesn't refresh. Should refresh. The heck? The heck? Golden ship. Now we can equip the golden ship. Alright, well now that just freaking works, man. Why does it not inventory refresh? Populate the ships. Open. Golden ship. I mean, it doesn't really. Why does it? Global clear data. User coins equals 100. Let's just test it real quick. Inventory. Open the chest. Get a big blue pirate ship. Go to ships. Like, why does it not refresh? Why do I have to freaking close and then open and then it refreshes? Like, what's up with that? What's up with that? Refresh. Populates. Does it not even refresh the gold? You know that? Unclose, press close. Close just equals visible. And then open visible equals true. Why in the world? It refreshes the signal. Doesn't refresh when this is invisible. Oh, but maybe we could refresh everything the time that button is pressed. Wait a minute, we're on to something here. Signals. Tab container. Every time tab changed, bang. Main menu, and all we do is refresh. Oh god, I connected to the wrong thing. Disconnect. Disconnect. Tab change. Connect this to the inventory, not to main menu. Classic rookie mistake. All right, some slight. Open the chest, we get a golden ship, and it's like that. It's just slight like that. All right, you know what we should do though? We should edit this so it ends up looking a little bit better. How do I do that? I gotta make UI elements, man. I'm not good at this. How large? Is there a way to see how large this is? 285 out of 125. Position. Anchor it right in the center. Size 725 by 125. All right, what I got the pixel art software. What is that called? I don't know. Wait. A sprite. No, that's right. That's right. Open 8 sprite. Make a. Did I not open it? Maybe it'll open. I guess it wants me to open up my entire Steam. Oh. Yoicks. It's fine. All right, new file. What do we need? 120. 725 by 125. 725. Oh God. Bang. And now I have to find the middle, which is 725, 125. 725 divided by 2. Get the calculator. 725 divided by 2. 362. So we need to make a line. 362 large. Dang. Oh. Oh, it just says on the bottom there. That's the. Okay, we can erase all that. Get a pencil. 362. 363 is about the center. Okay. No, 361. Yeah. So here's our. Now we'll go to yellow. We'll go to red. We'll make an arrow. Oh God. Oh, am I chopped? What the heck? I go make it thicker. Is that what that? It just seems actually pretty simple, low key. Rectangle tool will do maybe a black outline. Oh. Okay. We'll save it to our game here. I'm literally so bad at making 2D. It just doesn't click. Order. It just doesn't make. It didn't click. You know. I just don't get how people are able to make 2D like assets. I mean, like, this might look good. I think pixel art is so much easier to make 2D assets with than like, I don't even know what software, Procreate. Need a goddamn iPad for that. Did it not? Oh, because I didn't export. Export as PNG. I'm guessing it exported it. Yeah. I need to add a texture. Checked. Yeah. Oh. Order. Layout. Position anchors in the middle. Should just work, right? Why does it feel like off-centered? Am I crazy with that? Why does it look off-centered? Also, I feel like it doesn't last long enough, you know? Like if they want to unbox something, dude, they gotta freaking, like they gotta earn it a little bit. 2 seconds? I'm thinking 5 seconds for the unboxing. Like if they're gonna pay their hard-earned gold onto it, like they're gonna get an experience. It's worth it. 6 seconds. Negative 3,000 gets you the same number. You're right. Wait 4 seconds. Okay. I mean, this should be 6 seconds too, right? Okay. Okay. Not too bad. Texture wrecked. But low-key want to add this guy. Full wrecked. Yeah. And this is gonna be image. So instead of having text when they unbox something, and they're gonna have an image of it. Which, to be fair, currently I don't think I have any images for any of my chips. Blue pirate chip, no icon for the icon, which is why we're gonna make an icon. Why we open models. Let's go to the gold chip. Let's open that guy up. Get a little image. Or I can just get an image from Godot. Bang. But the problem is how big is this? I have it 125 on 125. All right, so now we go to photo editor. We get a 125 by 125. Create. Paste our ship. Boom, look at that icon. God dang, is that blurry? Are we really having it that blurry? I mean, like, low key. That looks cool. No, that was good. Export this guy. Gold ship. Okay. we go to unlockables, create new folder, icons, just to hold them all. Oh, gold ship icon. So now if we just set this as the icon. Oh. Look at that. So now we go in here. Set panel. Instead of just setting the panel and sending in the name, you get a item dot name texture rex dot texture image. I'm just gonna think it's texture, that's the variable, equals item dot icon. And then we go into gold ship and we can set the icon here. Does this break everything? Let's find out. If item dot icon doesn't equal null. I swear I saw some. I swear this worked. What am I missing? Oh, the player. Yeah. Huh? I guess. No, I'm just tweaking. Whatever. Go back here. All right. Invalid property texture of compressed texture 2D. Oh, how do I set the property texture? Oh, this is not. I'm a freaking chud. That texture. Image. Why do I keep messing this up so bad? Loop boxing. Here. Reset the image. It only sets that image if it's gold. There's already a skiff, but you start with the skiff. You shouldn't be able to unlock the skiff. Oh, wait, well, let me check what it looks like in the inventory, right? Huh? All of a sudden, I'm not getting the gold ship. Makes freaking sense. Come on, give me the gold ship. All of a sudden. Ew! Look at that. Now it actually has all your ships. Actually don't look too bad now that there's like a image there. All right, let me get an image for the skiff. Yep. That's the dress. We need the model. Skiff. Yeah, this guy. I can boy down a little bit. Did it? Oh. Export skiff icon. Okay, now we drag that boy in there. The icons here. Skip. I still have it named Skip, but it's not Skip, it's Skiff. And then I guess I gotta picture the big blue ship. I guess big blue ship. Okay. Bring it a little bit so he fits. Good. All right, now export this guy. Big blue ship. Okay. Oi. It's kind of coming along. I just got to do a lot of making it look good once everything's built. The Loki's almost done. I just got to add a bunch of content. But like, not that much. Really think about it. Icon, drag it in there. Bang. And now we hit play. We go to leaderboard, we get the skiff, it's equipped. Alright, we open the chest. The wooden chest doesn't have a icon, but old ship. Alright, why is the gold ship rarity 8? Should be like 85. Blue pirate ship 35. Skip 10. So I should never really see a gold ship. Oh, but there's no rarity weight to it. It's a random number. Yeah, we'll get freaking Claude to help us up with this because this is gonna be a little tough. Script. Loot unboxing. Here. Add the rarity weights when unboxing and selecting the and assigning panel a ship. I need like a brown chest. I could get a brown chest icon, or I already have a chest. What if I edit that? Oh. Where's that at? Dough. I think it's easier for me to make a 3D model and then take a picture of it instead of making a 2D model or 2D image. Weights, get rarity weights. That, all right. Does that work? Let's see. Well, I never really see. Oh, snap. I mean, it's just the gold chest. Oh, and I got the big blue pirate ship. Equip. Yes. Just like the enemies. Yep. I really should make the coins look better. Good speed. Oh. Look how tiny the coins are. What the heck? Good day. Do. Bounce height, bounce distance, restoration, hit range. I try to add like a magnet to it so and it spins. Oh. Oh. Forget it clears my data every time so I don't have my big blue ship. Alright, let's take this guy. Oh. Oh! Now the coins like bounce a little bit. Yeah, that's kind of cool. I don't know why they're so tiny. It's probably in the enemy script. It's set in enemy script is what I'm looking for. Do. Spawn coins, instantiate, global position, muzzle dot global tree coin. Yeah, why is this? Make it huge, I guess. I don't know. Maybe that just didn't really affect it. Why does it spawn? Sound effects. Why is there a little particle effect when? I don't know. That makes sense. Like some move speed. But yeah, no, it doesn't affect the size whatsoever. Interesting. Is the coin? Spin. Is it even spinning? Oh, wait, right here. Rotate Y, spin speed, delta. Yeah, I don't know. It's spawning in like this little teeny tiny ball. I guess I can increase the actual mesh size. We'll do the collision shape first. Increase this boy by 5 times 0.5. 5 to 0.5. Radius. Go to the mesh. 0.5. 2. No. 5. Yeah. Alright, see how that looks in. Why do I have a my coin? I have a collect sound effect. I don't need that. Get rid of that. Ohms. Oh, we're huge now. Oh, nice. Name. Move speed. Go, go, go. All right. Oh. Game is looking good. I think it's just in terms of adding a bunch of content to it. Well, that's actually a great question. So we added gambling. Now they're hooked. How does other games? If I go to like Clash of Clans, little image, they got their little coins on the top. Those are like that. I need a coin icon though. There's a bunch of errors that's happening. I don't really know what's happening. The shoot condition is inside tree is true, returning. Oh. Oh, it's setting the position. It's probably the player does that as well, yeah. Before it's even in the tree. But this, okay, this is besides the point. Let's open up Blender. Add a cylinder. Rotate 90 degrees. Scale on the Y till it's thin. Edit. Select the entire ring. Inset. Extrude in. Inset. Put the same. Extrude in. Nice and easy. Little coin. All right, let's bevel. Bevel. Ooh. Ooh, nice and... Well, that's a nice bevel right there. Should add a little money sign to it. No. I'll add a material first. Oh, look. Very metallic. Roughness down. Oh, yeah. Oh, shiny. Dude. How long did that take? 2 seconds? Coin. Models. Models. New folder. Coin. Save the blend file. All right, now we just got a coin. Just like that. Nice and easy. We go back to the coin. Try that hoe in there. Transform to scale. Transform 3 scale. Is that too big? Let's see. Is it even like I actually never tested the rotate function because I've had a perfect circles here. It doesn't actually can actually tell it's rotating. Look at that, dude. Oh, that's nice, man. Oh, it moves towards me too. Wait a minute. Coin. Magnet speed. 5. Oxy, what up? He's back, man. The game's looking real nice. He drops a coin. How close do I get before it starts magnetizing towards me? It does not magnetize towards me that fast, though. I'm not gonna lie. But it kind of moves towards me. Like it kind of works. Um, 50 speed. Magnet acceleration 5. Let's test it again. Move speed. Test. More move speed. AO. Fast is crazy fast. Brother, where are the ships at? I feel like, yeah, sometimes it just does not spawn the ships. Oh. Or how close do I get before it starts magnetizing, and how fast? Okay, yeah, that's range. If I get right here, it should. Maybe the range is fine. Oh wait, it is moving towards me though. Magnet speed 150, 50. For magnet range 30. All right, that kind of feels a little better. Actually, like magnets towards you. Some shoot speed. Let me get some more move speed. Alright, that didn't really magnet towards me. It's fine. Score is kind of like an arbitrary score, I'm not gonna lie. Oh. Huh? It's like way too slow again. What did I do wrong? 300, 300. Oh. Should fly towards me now. Oh. Okay. Try that again. I think it has something to do with whenever the enemy spawns a coin. So spawn coins, coin, global position, add coin, coin fruit, type stand shape. Sense. Doesn't make. All right. Okay, so we add coins. One coin. Enemy. Does the specific enemy models? No. Doesn't have a. Let's add so we can just determine how much gold a specific ship will drop. Enemy data. Attack stats. Export or export group. Enemy loot. Death score. Let's make it to we add export coin. Huh? We'll have an enemy type. Then we'll have an enum type. Types is single, multi-shot, leading shot, first. What kind of enemy ship types? Single shot, multi-shot, a leading shot, first shot. Arc shot. Shot. What's another good? So a single shot, then a multi-shot, then a leading shot, then a burst shot. Add export or shot count. All right, well, we added so we have a death score, coin drop, an enemy type, and a shot count. So we go to enemy. Add the coin drop score are added matches data. I've only been streaming for 2 hours, but low-key, I feel like I got a decent amount done so far. I already got my loot crate system. I just gotta make it look a little better. I'll fix the enemy system here to where it's gonna be easy to add enemies. All right, what to do? Want to add more? I'm gonna add an ad whenever you die. I'm gonna add an ad. I'm gonna have I should be writing this. Write it down, notepad. Shoot ahead, choose run, luck, speed, or damage. Gambling sounds clearly just. Okay. Why did I have that? Okay, ideas. Gambling. Well, we do have gambling. The loot crates. Add after run. Plays an ad after each run. Cool down or here. You have like, you can unlock 3 crates each day, but it's on a cooldown. What's another? In-game currency, which I guess is the coins. We have that. In-game. What other things that they do? Leaderboard. Yeah. And we can get the cooldown meter going. Add the different and types like multi-shot. First shot. What are the leading shot? Arc shot. We can just make the enemies. All right. I want to make a new enemy. Create new resource. Enemy data. Golden ship. Golden. It's gonna be the enemy scene. I don't know why. Always the enemy scene. The model's different. Gold ship model. Ring size 0.25. Name gold. Rarity is like 8. Right? Because the frigate. Loki rarity should be up a little bit more than the frigate. Difficulty is a 1. Health is 20. I'm gonna get 30. Speed. And how fast the frigate? Single shot. Attack stats. Coin drop. 10 coins for the gold ship. Death score is only 50 though. I gotta remember. 10, 50, 80, 150. Look green. Range is 50. Cannon speed. A little slower the cannonball speed and the damage. 5. Now we'll do 10. Alright, so now we have this golden ship, which should on less frequently. Base wave size. Base max alive. Six did. What other like things should I add? Let me run. Uh-huh. Being inferred. Sometimes Claude does this. It like makes the same mistake. That's really that great. Why is that? There's a little the effects that happen right in the start there. The chest. Oh, gold ship. God. Oh my God. Something's definitely wrong. Very much wrong. Maybe because the muzzle. If I bring the gold ship in, trinket 0.25. Yeah, the muzzle's way out there. Look at that. Does it collide with the enemy? I gotta change the wave system. Oh. Okay, the gold ship. I mean, it shoots right when the ranges. I don't know why I have that. So it doesn't move at all. Cannon speed. It should be a more rare ship, which for some reason it's not. I don't know what that's about. Rarity is 8. How does that mean? Why am I finding only the gold ships? Okay, yeah. 20. What's the shot speed? Add a shoot speed variable. Do I not have that? I mean, it's probably pretty easy. Shoot, can shoot. Attack timer. That timer is just on 1 second. The attack timer is never instantiated of how much the attack timer should be, which actually that's an easy. I should could have just, yeah, that's it right there. I go to the gold ship, shoot speed 3. All right, if I taste the multi-shot, shot count 3. Oh, let me find an enemy. Wound enemy. Oh god. Oh, the spread shot's crazy. You cannot dodge that. Oh my god. All right, note to self: the spread shot is a little too good, so you have to slow down the balls a little bit. Yeah. Move speed. Oh my god. I forget. That guy's overpowered, man. He's overpowered, man. I think my move speed is kind of crazy. Oh. God. Got so much gold now. I don't know how much gold. I feel like we keep that, you know? They're not gonna ever know how much gold. Oh, I can run circles around this guy now. Alright. How much gold do I got? 180. I collected 80 coins that run. Gold ship! Yeah! Whip the gold ship. Yep. Because you got the gold ship now. Alright. Debug. Falling enemy kill first. Enemy kill don't emit. Method expected 0 arguments but called with 1. I don't know. This guy, we're freaking. I don't know why I did that. I put the global position before it respawned in. Our enemy spawner. Spawn distance. Difficulty 0. Remove the wave system. Always just have enemies spawned in, but have a minimum spawn count and that slowly goes up with more kills, but don't waves. I don't want it to spawn in waves. Run wave. Get nodes and grid spawned. Wait tree spawn interview. Back to the main game. Go to enemy spawner. Spawning. Spawn interval at 1 second. How does the rarity make sense though? Pick enemy. Enemy data. If enemy data is only shipped unlocked in current difficulty are eligible. Oh, okay. Difficulty. On number 1. Basement alive 10. Basement. Enemy spawn. If EDOT difficulty is greater than difficulty, how difficulty equals 0. Oh, okay. This will spawn only that ship. And then when does the difficulty increase? Enemy kill dot connect. On enemy killed. Kills dot +1. Difficulty dot clamp difficulty plus time to max difficulty. Okay, so it slowly goes up. Okay. So the max difficulty. Time to max difficulty 60. Difficulty goes to 0. So after 60 seconds, which is 10 minutes, it gets to 100. Okay, so this everyone. So after however many seconds, the gold ship spawns. So, the difficulty. I don't know. Every 6 seconds, it increases in difficulty. So 6. Bring out the calculator. Right. The 600 seconds it takes to get to 100. Every 6 seconds, it goes up 1 difficulty. So 6 seconds times like 5. 30 seconds. Gold starts spawning. For rarity 5. That's 30 seconds. After a minute would be rarity 10. Oh, wait a minute. All right, so gold people starts. At rarity 10, gold starts spawning. Oh no, it's difficulty. No, there's rarity though. Wait a minute. I guess it's the same thing. Whatever. I don't know. There's no rarity though. Oh, select by rarity weight. Rarity fallout. Oh, so rarity is like a 5. Rare equals less likely in rare equals less likely. Rare equals less likely. Difficulty tougher ships spawn more often. So it has a rarity and a difficulty. The difficulty is 1. For unlock ships spawn more often. Because either way, it's start. And we're off. Let's go. Let's unlock a ship. No ship. I just got the skiff. Dang it. I don't need to play. Okay. Start screen. Inventory's kind of working. I don't have an icon for the chest. But it kind of low-key works. It doesn't have like a confirm screen, which I don't want. But okay. Oh, how long have we been streaming? 2.5 hours. Alright, I think that's good. I just gotta do so much off of stream that nobody here anyways. Alright. They saw me release my last video and they were like, brother, I ain't tuning into this guy's stream. Happens, man. Happens. Anyways. I guess my schedule might change here. I think Tuesday is my next stream day. Which I have an idea for a stream, but I don't know if I can do that idea. I think I need a couple more ideas, but I think next stream is gonna be Tuesday. Hopefully this video is gonna be done by next week or the week after that. Probably the week after that. We'll see. It's gonna be good. Anyways, if you are here, and pleasure, absolute pleasure tuning in, man. But that's it for me. I gotta do a lot of work off stream, so I gotta freaking head out a little early. But we made some good progress. We got the loot crate screen, got enemies, we got a bunch of other things. So I don't know, we'll see how it turns out. Anyways, peace. See you later.